Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on canoscript. So it's been a minute since I streamed. I wanted to get canoscript done before December 1st, so I could do Advent of Code, and that's come and gone now. So that's out of the question. I'm still gonna be working on canoscript. I might do Advent of Code later, like after December, once it's actually done. I've just been really busy with things, and I haven't been able to stream at all, or even work on an off stream. So that is why. Got the Christmas tree as well, so that's cool for Christmas. Let's see. Yeah, so I just have not been able to do that. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks since the. It's been about 3 weeks since last stream. You're gonna die. Hello, Stam. How you doing? Which one are you on? Are you day 3 or 4? I didn't actually read through all the stuff that you said. Not gonna lie. Let's see. I'm gonna use. I think I'll probably use Bim because canoscript was not working last time. So we're working on reconfiguring everything. Should I just do admin code? I might do that, just with C or something. And then come back and do it again with canoscript. Not today, but perhaps I will try that. Tree chill, yes sir. It doesn't look very good. But it doesn't look very good on the camera because of the lights, but yes. To be festive, highly festive. Let's see, I don't remember where we're at because it's been a while. So statement, so this is, yeah, so just differentiate between those. Check Discord. Alright, let me open it up. Bit cringe, I don't care. It works. Alright, it's launching. Discord is launching. I did close it for the stamp check. Discord is taking a minute to open. I can check as well. I'll open it up. Let's see, where are we at? Fact check true. Why does it not work? I thought it does work. Alright. I'm not gonna move it over because yours works on this. But it doesn't work on the, yeah, okay. Can I access it actually? Let me do something. I'm going to open it up here, and I'm going to log into Advent of Code. This is a bit off topic, so starting the stream off topic, but that's fine. How does it look without that? I don't know. Is that better? Hopefully it doesn't follow. It's kind of fat. Yeah, it doesn't look very good like that. I don't know. It's not as festive without that, I don't think. What day is this? Is this day 4? Yeah, right, yeah. Wait, is that not it? Is it part 2 of day 4? Well, yeah, but I like the cringe. That makes it funnier. I don't really like the way that. Hang on, let me open up the full screen here. Yeah, maybe it's fine. I don't know. I can go between it. I might be able to change out some of the lights or something. Is this day 4? It's Is this day 4? Because, here, I can move it over now. I'm not logged in, but here's what we have. It says 8. What says it? Oh, the count? Because 1 in each. Is it 3 or 4? What's 3? It must not be 3, because that doesn't look the same. Is it part 2 of day 4? I don't know where we're at. Yes, but what day is it? Day 4, part 1? It's part 1. Wait, so where is the... Oh, you made this input then. Let's see. So let me sign into it, and I could just do that instead of canoscript. Would that be fun to mess around with admin code? I have to log in. How do you do that? How do you log in? Log in. There we go. Logging in now. Okay. Yeah, we're logged in. Perfect. W. Check out. Okay, this is Stams. GitHub. Yeah. No, I meant where was the button because I couldn't find it. Let's see. So let's go to 4 part 1. Is it? It's not done yet. Right, not from an input file. Interesting choice. This is unfinished. Yes. I have a lot of stuff open now. Can I? No, it's a different account. Freaking balls. And I'm gonna hold a, well, should I do admin of code? Or should I do canoscript? I should have done that before the stream, but check day 4. Problem 1.c. Alright, yeah, here's pros. Yes, you should. I should do that instead of canoscript. Just do it in C. Because it's not another language I would use. Day 4, let's take a look. Or you should do, yeah, I'm not doing that today. I gotta prepare more for that. Because I never even use that, so I don't know how it works to use, so not gonna do that one. I'll do that probably next year. Alright, W input file. Okay, let's see. I can understand this better than Rust. Okay, I didn't actually read the problem. Like, I got an idea from it. Looks like the chief's not here. Next. Okay. One of the historians pulls out a device and pushes the only button on it. After a brief flat. Here, let me change the title. I'm going to be doing admin code. Admin of code. I might not do any code and just read through it and then go back. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I do. But I'll change the title anyway. AOC with pro. Yes. Sarah's. What is this? Day 10. Oh, shoot. That's from 2019. Okay. As the search for the chief continues, a small elf who lives on the station tugs on your shirt. She'd like to know if you could help her with her word search. You're puzzling. Okay, I see. She only has to find one word. Xmas. Crying and stand. Yes. Yeah. This word search allows words to be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, written backwards, or even overlapping with other. Alright, so horizontal, vertical, diagonal, backwards, and overlapping. Okay, a little unusual. No, I'm going to go back to that, but I'm just doing this to see what Pra has. I'm going to go back to the day 1. Yeah. Pra gets it. Easy peasy. It's a little unusual, though, as you don't merely need to find one instance of Xmas, you need to find all of them. Right, yeah. Okay. Fine. But it has dots instead of that. Okay. Total of 18 times. Oh, no. Wait, so what does the input look like? Hey, let's see. Probably has that. Right, so the input is like this, right? I get the puzzle. Yeah, so it's like that. Alright, so it's not dots. And then, yeah, so the dots is just to show what there is. Right, whoops. Store the input in a variable. Okay, now I'm open on once. Let's go here. Yeah, reading the file for. I think that makes more sense because then it's easier to change, right? Either way. Okay, let's check north, right? South. Alright. So that checks the directions. Right, okay, interesting. So that checks all the directions. And it checks backwards as well. Wait, what? You put all 1,000 lines? Did you actually? You put all of this. Why would you do that? Interesting. Interesting idea. Yes. Built different for real. Different, spelled wrong. That makes it funny. I don't know if that was intentional, but okay, so we allocate. Yeah, so this is just reading the file, right? Read. Right, so does this account for backwards though? That's not intentional. Okay, but it made it funnier, so let me well, should I clone it? Yeah, let me open a new terminal. AOC. I'm just gonna copy this right now. I'm not gonna actually use it for anything, but I want to see if it works right. I could clone the repo, but I'm not gonna do that. That's boring. Okay. Oh yeah, I don't have the file, obviously. What's it called? Yeah, let's change. And I'll just put the test input in there. sucks. Okay, I did something wrong. What did I forget to do? That's what I did wrong. Okay. That's not right. Okay, answer is 5. Okay, I like that. Like the output. Ramones, W. 10 seconds to get. I don't understand why you would do that, though. Is 5 right for that? It's supposed to be 18. So that doesn't work. But then it works on... Yeah, but this input isn't right? Because it's supposed to have the letters. Yeah, so that won't work. Yeah, it doesn't even work for this, right? Because that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. 5. Yeah, 4. Am I missing something? Oh, it changed the size. Okay, I see. I didn't realize that was a thing. All size. Okay, right here. Ooh, I see. Okay. So I did it wrong. So what is that the width? 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Oh, okay, so 8. 8 for this one, the input that is there. I see. Okay, so that works. Alright, double. I didn't realize that was a thing. Okay, 11 for this. And then it works. Okay. Why do you not automatically set the size? 18. Okay, there we go. So that does work. Word. So what else then? I don't really want to try it on this and see if it works because I do want to solve this, but the goal is a clean solution. Yeah, well, you know. So what is this? This is 100. Whoops. Is that what it is? I can see. 140. Okay, so 141. Mm-hmm. I messed that up. Oh shit! I forgot to change it. Yeah. I forgot to change the input file. Yeah. Swatted you? What? What the heck? Yeah, I don't really want to test that though. I guess I could do it. I can still resolve it if I remember what the answer is. Wait, that worked. I wasn't expecting it to actually work. I thought it didn't work. Did you put the wrong number? Wait, is it the same input? Wait, what the heck? I thought it wasn't going to work, so I submit. Do you have... It's the same input. And you put 141 for the column size? What is this? SWAT. Oh, SWAT? Wait, SWAT. Yeah. Oh, it hits you like that? I was thinking of, like, where they call a SWAT team on. No. I thought it didn't work. That's kind of fun. I cheated. I'll go back to day 1 now. I'll try that out. I'll close canoscript. We'll come back to that though. I still want to finish it. I do want to do an admin of coding canoscript. Obviously, of course. Now I have to... Okay, let's see. I don't know what to expect here. I'm going to delete this, though, because I don't want to be a cheater. So I'll redo that and get the right answer again. So that, I'll come back to the video maybe to see what that is. Doesn't work for you? Wait, what is your... Send your input file. Just DM it to me or something on Discord. So I can see if it's the same. Oh, it's against EULA? Oh, well, I shared mine, kind of. Well, I guess I didn't really share it, but... Yeah, I mean, don't DM it to me, definitely. Don't do that. Submit a wrong answer, and they DDoS you until you change your IP. True. We should make, Advent of Code, Advent of Cobb, where it does that. I deleted it now, actually. Definitely not. Hang on. Let's see. I need to read this. I can just, right here. Let me move this, which is definitely not related to that. And it's the same size, right? Oh, it's a different size. Okay. Wait, is this right? It's not square. AOCC template. I might use that. I had one from last year as well. It's probably not very good anymore. But why is it a different size? Like 140 wide, but 136 tall. Why is that? Probably will not see. So I don't know which one to use, but because mine was square. That's the same one that you get. But that might be a problem though. Why is it like that? No, what's not? 140 and 136 lines. I will not send anything that I got. Can you still even download it? Yeah, right here. Okay. Oh, the answer you got? Oh, that? 2475. I want to try day one though, so I'll leave that, but let's kind of make a template, I think. Yeah, it doesn't work. Yeah, but it's not square. Like mine is the same. It was 140 wide by 140 tall. No, I want to make my own. I don't want to use yours. Check the new file. Oh, does this work? Cool, cool. That did I yeah. Not found. Do I need to open it first? I'm a little confused now. Oh, you have to download what? Cookies TXT extension? Oh, you have to do that. Mm, let's see. Let's see. And I put it. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, hang on. Yes, I'm not showing. I know that. I know that. Let's see. How do you do this? So, mm, so does this work? Oh, I don't have the template thing. Oh, you gotta set up a lot of stuff for this. Internet cut out during curling the input file. Wait, is it dead? It's not dead. Huh? I don't want to do all that template stuff. I'll just download myself. I don't know that I gotta download the whole template. How do you download the folder? Can you not do that? Maybe him. Well, I can see the bitrate on it, and it's not dead. I mean, I have it over here. I don't think that works. So I just have to clone this. Yeah, but I need the template file. Change the script. I guess I could do that. That would make sense. Okay. Hopefully it worked. What? I might do it right. Hold up. Give me a second. Let me download it again. For real, for real. Yes, it is in the same directory. And I changed the script to accommodate that. Yeah, I changed it. Yeah. Let me try that. Okay, I'm gonna... Yes, it does have stuff in it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get the input manually. It's fine. It's fine. No, it's gone. It's gone now. Instead, I can just do that. Bam. No, I'm gonna not do that. Whoops. Okay. I haven't read through this yet. Let me make the main file. And use Vim because why not? I think I'll build a script. Some areas. Okay. And okay, cool. Let me close this now. I don't know why yours doesn't work though, so that's the thing. Chief Historian is always present for the big Christmas sleigh launch, but nobody has seen him in months. Last anyone heard, he was visiting locations that are historically significant to the North Pole. A group of senior historians has asked you to accompany them as they check the places they think he was most likely to visit. What got fixed? As each location is checked, they will mark it on their list with a star. They figure the chief historian must be in one of the first 50 places they'll look. So in order to save Christmas, you'll need to help them get 50 stars on their list. Word. Bruh. Okay. Collect stars by solving puzzles. The puzzle will be made available on each day in the advent calendar. Yeah, so I get how that works. Keep yourself safe. Yes, of course. You haven't even left yet, and the group of elvish senior historians has already hit a problem. Their list of locations to check is currently empty. I'm going to close Discord. Yes, their list of locations to check is empty. Eventually, someone decides that the best place to check first would be the chief historian's office. Upon pouring into the office, everyone confirms that the chief historian is indeed nowhere to be found. Instead, the elves discover an assortment of notes and lists of historically significant locations. This seems to be the planning of the chief historian was doing before he left. Perhaps these notes can be used to determine which locations to search. Throughout the chief's office, the historically significant locations are listed not by name, but by a unique number called Location ID. To make sure they don't miss anything, the historians split into two groups, each searching the offices and trying to create their own complete list of location IDs. Day 4, Part 2. Is it bad? Just one problem. By holding the two lists up side by side, your puzzle input. So that's the input. Okay. Quickly becomes clear the lists aren't very similar. Maybe you can help reconcile their lists. Okay. 3, 4, 4, 3. 2, 5, 1, 3, 3, 9, 3. Are only out by a small amount. To find out, pair up the numbers and measure how far apart they are. Pair up the smallest number in the left list with the smallest number in the right list, and then the second smallest left number with that. Okay. Smallest number in the left list with the smallest in the right list. Alright, so that'd be 3 and 3. And then 3 again. 3 again. Well, no, there's 2 here. Oh, no, there's 1 here. So 1 and then 3 is here. Okay. Each pair, you'll figure out how far apart the numbers are. You'll need to add up all of those distances. For example, if you pair up 3 from the left list with a 7 from the right list, there is no 7 in the right list. There's no 7 here. Is it a different list? Interesting. The distance part is 4. If you pair up a 9 with a 3, the distance part is 6. Okay, right, so just subtract the larger one from the smaller one. Smallest number in the left list is 1. Smallest number in the right list is 3. The distance between them is 2. Okay. 2, 1. So you add them all together. Okay, cool. Find the total distance between the left list and the right list. Add up the distances between all of the pairs you found. Example above, this is that. Okay. Okay, we can do that. Grab this. So, yeah, that's how it's organized. So I'm going to keep it like that. I could modify it. Would there be an easier way to read it? Not really. So is this a tab or is it a space? Alright, 3 spaces. Guess that doesn't really matter. Eating Doritos, bro. So we need to start by loading the file. So we can do load file, file. Yeah, it's just gonna be reading it. We'll just return it there. Just be file even. Does that work? Okay. fscan app, yeah. I was like, I have not seen that function before. Word, okay. So do I not want to read the file then? The entire one? Very difficult to use these correctly, and it is preferable to read entire lines with fgets. Alright, we can try that. So we can just open the file. File, and we'll define that even. So for now, we'll do input test txt, and then fscan f. Right, I don't know that I've used fscan f recently. But let's see. So what was this, right? And then word, and you have to pass the variables, right? Why does it not work? So this is num left hand side, right hand side. Yeah, I know. And then I just print them out. F close. Oh yes, of course. Can't forget F close. So then, what does it return when it? So if that that's not equal in the file, right? Do that. I do it like that, perhaps. Oh yeah, yeah. Of course, of course. Yeah. What is this? Oh shoot, it's Oh right, I forgot about it. Yeah. I did that wrong. Of course, of course. Alright, that looks relevant. So test. 3, 4, 4, 3. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we have the numbers. And then you can add it to a list and just sort the list, like a list of each. Ever seen Mythical Kitchen? No, I have not. Okay, yes, true. Don't tell me what to. Don't use sort function. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna. Well, I might use that. That could be cool to learn. I haven't used it before, so that could be cool actually. Let's see. So just add it to a list and then sort the respective lists, right? Arrays. So, I mean, I know the maximum size, so I don't even have to really do fancy stuff with it. I can just have int array. So this is left, and yeah, we can use 256. Just, save, and then put it b0 actually. That is. I don't think it can because then you could be causing issues. Research. I knew about rejects in binary search. I actually knew about them, but I haven't used them I'm going to use rejects. I don't think it's ever 0, so I think we can use 0 as the stopping point, right? Right. Notice the pen to it, so left. I know about reject. Well, I meant in the C statement. I don't know how to use rejects very well, but right, that should just append it, right? And then just well, we don't really need to use 0, I guess, as a stopping point because we have the size. So then that appends them all, and then we can sort it. So how do you use Q sort? So you need a compare function, right? Yes, that is something that I say. So we can have the compare function. It's like a boolean, right? Compare. We'll have word left, word right. What is this word? Arg. Wait. Actually, how does the compare function work? What is this? Const void size. I was looking at the wrong one. Okay. So it's void pointers, right? Oh, there's a built-in compare function. Is there really? Can you use that? I can just look it up. No. So you have to make one. So okay. Base. Base is what? That's the array, right? Size. And then the size of it is the size of it. It's size of what? Yes, great. Yes, that's what I was doing. Compare. Yes, let's do it like that, right? Okay, compare, and we have like that, and then well, you don't really have to do it like that. It's okay. You have to dereference it. Turns int. I want greater though. Actually, what do we return? Yeah, greater. Okay, people. All right, see you, Pro. Have a good one. Oh, supposed to be const. Okay. What is that then? Yeah, it's not supposed to be that. I just read it wrong. Cast from pointer. Yeah, so I need to do this and then dereference. Right, except when I used. Why? Oh shoot, because we don't quick sort. And then we can just loop over it to print it out. Size I plus plus. If we can do that. And print left I at the end, which at the end we'll print. How does that work? 1, 2, 3. All right, that seems to be sorted. And then we can do the same thing with right. Just like this. We can even do that. They should be the same size, so. Space there. 1, 3, 2, 3. All right, so that's right. And then we just need to do whichever one is lower, right? Can you just take that? Well, hang on. So if we do, yeah, if we take the absolute value, but can we do that? It's our absolute. Yeah, okay. So we can use that. So we do left I minus right I, absolute of this. That's that. Right, so this is like the total difference. Oops, it doesn't really matter. 11, is that right? 11, okay, cool. And then, I change it to use the actual input. What we have? Stack smashing the text. I wonder if it still works. Probably won't, because yeah, it doesn't work. Is this longer than that? I think I might have underestimated how long it is. I forgot to check. Yeah, 1,000. Okay, so we need to change that. Let's do 1,000. Right. Oops. Okay. That is better than. Oh, I have to wait 30 seconds. Okay. I have to just wait a minute. I wonder how part 2 is. Yeah, and let me make a repository for this on my profile. Ads? Is there an ad? I did not run any ads. Advent of code 2024. Solutions for C. Next week is gonna be crazy. When's it come out? Public, alright, W. Ignore. So any I think you can do it like that. Tomorrow, alright, W. And we need to hide the input as well. Can you do it like that? I think so. Remove David. Leaking the thumbnail, let's take a look. W hype. Fake. Fake. Wait. Wonder what that implies. Is it an image thing or? Yes. Okay, cool. That should work, right? And then commit. And then we can do this stuff. That's not right. Machine learning, W. Wait, like image generation? Wait, one word. Cool. Yes, sir, got it right. No. Detecting. Oh, comparison. Okay, cool. Classification. Ooh, in Rust, right? Do you use a library or is it like a machine learning library or is it from scratch? Only confirm what everyone feared. The two lists of location IDs are indeed very different. Or are they? Can't agree on which group made the mistakes or how to read most of the chief's handwriting. But in the commotion, you notice an interesting detail. A lot of the location IDs appear in both lists. Maybe the numbers aren't location IDs at all, but rather misinterpreted handwriting. Ooh. In Python. Okay, cool. This time you'll need to figure out exactly how often. I have asked you. Okay, well, I forget. You'll need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Calculate a total similarity score by adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it by the number of times that the number. Wait, what? How often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Okay. Adding each number in the left list. After multiplying it. Okay, that's kind of confusing. First number in the left list is 3. It appears in the right list 3 times. Okay, I see. Second number is 4. So we go through each number in there and then see the appearances of it in that list. Third number is 2. It does not appear in the right list, so it's 0. Okay. So we can just look at a number, go through the right list. So it could be similar to this one. Exactly. I should have structured it better, but that's fine. And paste may not see and build sh and to problem 2. And we'll put test. And so we still can sort it. Well, do we want to? It doesn't really matter. Yeah, I guess we could just not sort it. That'd be fine. We still have the left and right hand side, so that's good. We don't need the diff at all, so we can just iterate over. So 4 of size. Doesn't matter because they're both the same. So, and then look at a number here. We can just do a nested one. So then 4 j equals 0. Well, j is less than size. And right, I guess we don't have to do that, but so we might recalculate things, but that doesn't really matter. So if this is count equals 0, count plus equals yeah, we can just do it like that. Right j equals left I. So if it is that, and then we just multiply it. So we do, and you add the differences together. Alright, so we can add the diffs again. Diff plus equals count. Count. Is that right? Filter, keep, or remove elements. What do you mean? What's filter? I don't know what you mean. I forgot to open this. Well, that's fine. 31. And that is correct. Okay, so let's try it on the actual build. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That wasn't too bad. That was pretty easy. I don't know what you mean by filter. Day 2. So yeah, we'll get started on this now. Cool. I can commit stuff. And hit at all. What do we get? Yeah, I don't want any of the test. And I don't want this. Yeah, I think it's because I have the nested thing. So yes. Okay, never mind. I do not understand. HM problem 2. Okay, cool. So what is this? Let's make sure day 2 actually. And we'll have problem 1, problem 2. 1, and we'll copy and paste. I'll make like an actual template as we get along, but we just take the main.c and put it here. Also copy build shell. What do we have? First location the historians want to search isn't a long walk from the chief historian's office. While the Red-Nosed Reindeer nuclear fusion/fission plant appears to contain no sign of the chief historian, the engineers there run up to you as soon as they see you. Apparently, they still talk about the time Rudolph was saved through molecular synthesis from a single electron. Okay. Quick to add that, since you're already here, they'd really appreciate your help analyzing some unusual data from the Red-Nosed reactor. You turn to check if the historians are waiting for you, but they seem to have already divided into groups that are currently searching every corner of the facility, ever to help with the unusual data. Well, yes, okay, never mind, bruh. The unused data, which is your puzzle input, consists of many reports, one report per line. Each report is a list of numbers called levels that are separated by spaces. Okay. This example data contains 6 reports, each containing 5 levels. Okay. Right, so we can use the same similar method to read it, right? We don't have to read the whole file at once. The engineers are trying to figure out which reports are safe. The red-nose reactor safety systems can only tolerate levels that are either gradually increasing or gradually decreasing. So report only counts as safe if both of the following are true. Those are either all increasing or all decreasing. Okay, so like this decreases, this only increases. That decreases, 1, 3. Yeah, so this one increases and then decreases. Differ by at least 1 and at most 3. Oh, okay, so it can't increase by more than 3. And it can't be the same consecutively. This one is easy, cool. 6, 2 is a decrease of 4. 1, 3 is increasing, but 3, 2 is decreasing. Okay. Unsafe because 4, 4 is neither an increase or a decrease. Okay. So we just need to keep track of the previous one, right? So we can even make an enum. And then this is status, so it's either increase or decrease. Right. And then it still can scan this. Well, I can't do it quite the same as that, can we? Let's see. I could just read the whole line, but I don't really want to do that. We just modify it based on the input. Would that work? That's not what I want. Why is it open to there? What? You want a hint? No, I'm good. I just started it. Maybe when I'm not just starting it. Why did I do that? Let's see. 4. Maybe if I get stuck, but it does not seem too bad. And we'll just grab this. Look at this. Dropping the hint. What the heck? So basically, ooh, but it can vary. Okay. All right, we can just read 2 numbers and then continuously do that. So we're going to read it until it's a new line. What if we remove all of the new lines? Not dropping it. Okay. Right. We want to read 2 numbers. There might not be a new line though. So we return on error. Is reach for either of that. Bro, what? What is this? That looks very, very sus, not gonna lie. Is there a better function for reading? Because I want to read just 2 numbers, but then nothing. Okay. So can we just check that? No, that's not gonna work. Keep track of the increase or decrease state. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's why I made. Where'd it go, though? Am I in the wrong thing? Shoot, right. Yeah, I did make an email for that, though. That was the purpose of this. I was trying to figure out what's the best way to read it. Right, because I want to read 2 at a time, but then could be uneven. So what if we just read 1 at a time? And there's a space or a new line. Ghost. True. How do you read a line? Right. I forget how you see the line in C. F gets, yeah. So F gets. Then we can read the whole line. And then is that going to be harder though? I'm trying to think. Usually I just read the whole file, but so let's do F gets on the line. Right? How does F gets work? Usually I just read the whole file. F gets, yeah. So the string goes last, okay. And then what's this? Size. You read the size of the line. Oh, I see, okay. Just into a buffer. 1000. Size of 0, so line. Size of line. And that goes last, so I don't know why I did that. And that's right. Yes. And if you do the wall, we have the line, and we can just incrementally convert it to an integer. So line. You should work correctly the program. Yeah, and then we'll just go to then wall. Line does not equal, so this is just gonna do that, something like that. And then it'll be on a space. So we want to set the n. Well, we can just then we can use the stir to stir. Yeah, stir toll, that's what it is. And then we can have the start, and then line is the end pointer, right? And then the base is 10. That's going to be the number. The last the breadcrumb. Right, this I feel like is more complicated than it's fine though. It's not that complicated. Yeah, let me just do this again, right? Here. And then I don't think, yeah, it's not every 0, right? Yeah. I don't think it's ever 0. Yeah, it does not appear to be, so. So we can just use that, and then want to set it there, but then we want to take a look at the difference. So if do that actually, we should get the first number first, and then we can see if it's ascending or not. Well, stat none. Then we want to set stat that equal to. So if the new num is greater than, yeah. Well, what's a better way to do this? Oh yeah, but this reads the whole line, so that's not going to work very well. So let's just get a single entry. No, okay, yeah, let me start over. We still want that. We don't need these. We just need a single, no. We need any of those. Whoops. You need that. We have a number, and we read it. To read the space after, but it could also be a if f scan f that, then we want to scan f this. Will that work? I'm not sure if that will fail or not, but we'll try it. Right, so that will just read either a new line or not. And then we want to, let me do that at the end though. So you have the number now. The prev num and the current num. If prev num equals 0, prev num equals num. Well, we always want to set it to that, so maybe we don't have to check for that. Prev num does not equal 0 though. Then we want to take a look at the difference between them, right? So num minus prev num greater than 0. Then we want to be ascending, right? So what we'll do is we'll set the this new stat equals none, and then we'll just set new stat equal to, let's see, so if the number minus that is greater than 0, so we are going up. It's less than 0, then new stat decrease. Else we have a problem, so we want to just set it to invalid, right? So we'll have, how do I want to do that actually? This is not Python. Else if, there we go. We'll set it to true by default, and we'll set it to 0. And then here we actually want to go to a new line, and then we'll also set safe again, right? So we'll reset that. And we can do a safe as well. Right. And then we go here. So we see if it's increasing or decreasing, and then at the end of that, we do if new stat is not equal old stat and stat is not equal none, then we have set it to 0. Well, check that. Right, so we never set save to 1. So that should be fine. New stat does not equal stat. Alright, and then we need an else here. So else, so this is if previous num doesn't exist. Then we just want to continue. There's no previous num, so we just don't do anything, right? I think so. I messed that up. And why does it do this? Let's see, can I? Okay. This needs to be a pointer. And let's get rid of the usual stuff. Let's just print. Hey, how you doing? What is up? Same fault. So I did an oopsie. Let's see. Probably did it wrong. None. Right, it's probably something like this. This probably doesn't work, right? So what if it is reading the wrong thing? What if we get the size of the line? It's the wrong thing. That's before that. Break out of that. So it dies somewhere else. It's just reading the initial one. What does it look like? What should be reading this? The wrong file. So, yeah. Oh shoot! Because there was no file, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's not break now. And 0. So that is not right. I don't want to print this out. There's a new line. So we never get here. But it also stops reading. So can I print the numbers now? It does read all the numbers though. But we don't get here. Can this read a new line? Interesting. I'm trying to think. So this return never returns that. This is all the numbers, right? Wait, the 0 at the end is expected, but then 9, 7, goes to 1, and then 1, 4. Yeah, so it does read them all. We don't know when we're on a new one. So if we do that, then we do this instead. Otherwise, do this. $25 at the end. Is that what is actually printed? 25. So that doesn't work. Yeah, so it gets a new line each time. So this can read a space as well. What if we read it into a character, right? Charge equals that. And equals new line. Then do that. Okay, did 1 that time, so that's closer. So it counts 1 as unsafe. So if we do number, so that's the current one, minus the previous one. If it's greater than 0, So that means it's going up, so that's right. Set the previous dump. Total plus equals safe, so something is not quite right. Make out safe as well then. It's only safe on the first one, which is right. And then this other one is safe. Oh, I also forgot to take into account changing levels. Shoot. Right, because it can only go up by so much. So yeah, we just do and it's less than equal to 3, and I guess I could just calculate it, right? Yeah, equals num, and save it there. And if is less than 3, and if is there, right? Because otherwise it's always going to be unsafe. So greater than or equal to 1. So less than 3, and if. And this needs to be absolute update. Okay, and let's try that. Right, so we still get the same thing. So this last one is supposed to be, it goes up there. So let's see, none, increase, decrease. Oh shoot, because we need to set the stat. Stat. So let's print both of them. Stat. Stat. 0 and 2. So 0 is none, and then it becomes 2. So it's always increasing, so that's right. Starts at 2 that time. Ooh, okay, so we need to reset it to 0 here. Still doesn't work though, but 0 and then 0. So why does it do that? It stays as none, which is not right. So going from 1 to 2 stays as none. It shouldn't though, it should be increasing. Diff is greater than 0, right? So that'd be 2 minus 1. That's 1. So that is greater than 0. And it's less than 3. And it's equal to 1. Okay. So why doesn't that work? New stat. It's not the same. Yeah, it should be updated. So that is not right. And here as well, it stays 0 there. Oh, no. This is the new stat. Okay, but the new stat is that. Yeah, but it shouldn't be anyway. So I read it wrong, but. So they stay the same there. That is supposed to be safe. And the last one, they're both 0, which is not right. So new stat should never be, unless it's here. Yeah, unless one of these is not triggered, but they should be. And I forgot something. Oh, yeah. So let's see. Can I see this now? So new line here. So 0, 0. So it is increasing. but it doesn't. Oh no, it doesn't say increasing before though. Interesting. So when this one gets triggered, why is that? On the last one, right? So it's going up by 2. I'm doing something wrong. Get rid of this and print out the number 1. 1, 3. Oh shoot, we're only reading every other number. Is that what it is? No, that's right. Hang on. 1. Oh yeah, so the first one is supposed to. Oh yeah. Wait. Because we just skip over that. Yeah. So I might be kind of stupid. Okay, so that is right. How does it become different here? We need to set prev equal to 0. There we go. Okay, so that does work then. So I was just kind of stupid. Let me try that again. That's not right. I think I got it now. It might work. $411. Is that right? Whoops. There we go. Okay, got it. Nope. I'll commit this, I guess. Don't want to add input. Day 2 protocol. Okay, that's kind of nasty, but that's all right. Yeah, I'll probably go in about 20 minutes. Day 4 is nothing short of a disgrace. Yeah. Did you finish? So you finished part 1? Surprised by the low number of safe reports until they realized they forgot to tell you about the problem dampener. A reactor-mounted module that lets the reactor safety systems tolerate a single bad level in what would otherwise be a safe report. Alright, so you need to skip over that. Neither price so far. Bruh. Same was applied before, except if moving a single level from an unsafe report would make it less safe. Alright, so only if it's 1. So you need to try each individual one. So like this goes down, but then it decreases by 2. So if you just remove one of them, that's going to be interesting. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. TXT and build SH2 problem 2. I might not be able to finish this one today. We'll see. Yeah, so I need to change a lot of stuff. So I need to really keep track of all of them. I should probably change how I'm reading it. I don't know why it's lagging so bad. What's that about? But what if I don't know the size? So we have an array, right, which is the current line. Oh, wait, does this work? Let me try that. So I'll kind of reconfigure this. Int line. Yeah, we'll do 128. I don't think it gets larger than that. Maybe it's super now based. So scanf, right. You can use this. And it reads it into, yeah, array size. That's plus. Yeah, and then just read that there. Well, it equals 1. I'll just get rid of all this because I still have it. So let me just do that, and then that will read each one. I want to read it to the size of the line, right? Oh, you're silly. Yeah, I will. Let's see. So do that, and then I want to stop at a new one. But they should read all the numbers, right? Shoot. Let's see. Raise unclick. That's not what it's called. It's called line. Segmentation false. That does not work. Does this not work? What if I do this? What parts say false? Interesting. Does it work at all? It does read quite a few numbers. Let's go to the smaller input though. Oh yes, that's why, because there's not enough. Let's do yeah. Okay, yeah, and does it work on the actual input file? I don't know how many characters it is. Yeah, it's a lot. Word count. How does that work? 20,000? Is it real? I mean, it's not that many numbers, but okay, so I guess that does work. So that was the issue. We use the testing equipment. Starting with west on the matrix property base. Okay, so that reads it. Cool. But we want to separate it by the line. So, what do I do to do that? The north, south, and east. Yes, west is strange. Which one to start on? I see. Okay, that makes sense. Do that. And we just need to do this. Well, we could even, let's see. Yes, we can set the output of this. Out equals this, and we'll set it like that. Yeah, we don't need this. And then, yeah, we'll have out is just an integer. And wall out, not equal in the file. We will do all of this. Okay. Yes, and then now we have the line, right? So forward. Alright, class. Yo, how you doing, Tommy? What's up? It is going quite well. How are you? Have you done any advent of code? Zero. Mm. Let's see, does that separate by lines? Yes. Okay, perfect. So that reads it, right? Let's put it too many times though. 7767. It seems random. Why is this? Because we're reading that and then increase it. 1 a.m. and you're semi-awake and no, you didn't do AFC yet. Okay. Keeping that as you're technically going to work on Xmas days to secure 300% paydays. Okay, I see. 1 a.m. That's pretty late. Should probably go to bed. What if we do the do what? Do oh yeah, that's how you do. I forgot. Just have to be on call, but you work from home and you won't have anything to do as sure support won't have any major escalations. Okay. I see. Not about the money, about the emotions. Okay. Interesting. That, there we go. Get 300% pay for just logging in. Okay, makes sense. Smart plan. Where am I missing a semicolon? What? Where is that? Oh. Okay, that looks closer to being right. What is with the final one then? I don't know what that's about. Where it comes from. There we go. Okay, yes, we can do wall true. Wall one rather. There we go. Okay, and that is right. So now we have each line. That's probably better then. Always about the money. True. True, true. Birthday 2 days after Christmas. And yours 2 weeks after. And then we need to calculate that. So let's see, we can just try every combination. So if we iterate over it, we'll check the increasing, and then we'll just remove one of them. Check it again. So, well, we'll remove, no, let's use 4. I is less than line size. We'll do that. And then we want the status still. So we'll have the current status. Yeah, it's pretty much, yeah, it's really hard to get actually on the leaderboard or anything like that. You gotta be really skilled and fast. Yeah. How do you know what it is? What are the numbers? Getting a star first is worth 100. I see. Yeah, it'd be really hard to actually get up there. So these are some of the best people, probably. At least at this specific kind of thing. For work to use Linux. Very cool. Okay. So do that, and then if it goes up, we want to ascend. So we can actually start at 1. Let's see. And then if that will compare. Yeah, we can make a compare function, right? That's stat compare. And we'll pass the line size, and the well, do we need the line size? We don't really need that. We'll just look at -1. So we'll make a compare function, and this return based on this. Line is 8. And then if you're still on Arch, yes I am. Yes indeed. This guy really inspired me. Is this a Rickroll? No. Winning Google Kickstart. Oh yeah, William Lin, of course, yes. GOAT for sure. So if line minutes. So just check both of those. So subtract the current one from that, and then if it is greater than 0, you can actually have switching to Gen 2. Now I'm good. I might try Ardix. Probably not though. I'll probably just stay with Arch. Because I don't have any reason not to. And diff so loop is there. So we have to check all of those. And then we'll set the status return equals 1. Let's increase. Don't actually need that. Just switch to the next OS like me and learn how it feels to love and hate it at the same time. Yeah, I just don't like changing things. I don't know. I'm just really used to Arch now. I may try next OS someday. It's less than 0, then this is increase. Right, so we do that, and then otherwise we want to essentially have an invalid. Right, so we have all of those. So if it is invalid, then the line is can't go to anything else now. So if stat it's not equal null, and new stat is not equal to stat. Right, I'm basically rewriting the old one, but better. And then I'll implement the other stuff. Then invalid, right? Invalid is true. Otherwise, well, not otherwise, but then you have to set stat equal to stat and start over there. Declaring your whole system in one file and also have it work for my home folder config and source management and all. Yeah, I still don't even understand how it works exactly. Plus equals invalid. Yeah, and then we'll declare the total up here. I don't think I use out for anything, so we'll have. Oops. What does that look like? The move is unused, so we'll come back to that though. Have you heard of Ansible playbooks? No. Ansible playbook. Right. Yeah, I don't know how they work. Repeatable, usable, simple configuration management and multi-machine deployment system, well suited to deploying complex applications. Right. Yeah, so that's what Nix uses, right? Meets Docker, meets endless possibilities. Right. Yes. Atoms, it's supposed to be atoms. Yeah, it sounds interesting, but I just, I don't know. Okay. Oh, should I have another there? I don't need that. Out is uncleared. Out. What are we doing now? Hang on. Four. Is that right for this? 2. What? But I don't think it actually works because I didn't have it work, but yeah, that's what I thought. Because I didn't actually implement the parts, but it was right for the small one. That's not what I had to do. Yeah, I don't know why it is though, because it should be not right. Nix doesn't use Ansible, but easier. Yeah, I get it. So why would it set that to value? Because this is an in loop. So compare all of these. I have to go pretty soon, so I probably won't be able to finish this one. The cool thing is, for example, if I create a so-called Nix flake, basically a configuration file for a specific project we both would work on, you plop it into your project directory and it will pull all dependencies. Yeah, I've heard this, yes. Just in that specific directory. So in another directory, you can have completely different dependencies loaded that will conflict with the first project. Right. Yes, I have heard that many times from the Nix people. So why does it not return invalid? Nix people sounds, yes. That's the intention. Nix people, whoops, are kind of like how Arch people are seen by, like, by like newbie people, it's kind of like that. In the way that it's like, oh, you should use mine. You should use my thing. Mine's way better. Kind of like that. If that makes any sense. That is how I see Nix users. This is the solution. Yes, and you have the whole file in there. That is very strange. As annoying as the Arch people used to be, yes. Arch by the way people. That's what I sort of meant by that. And then I feel like Arch people still are seen that way. Most of them aren't really like that. When a lot of the Nix people are like that. This is a very short one. Very cool. Yes. Very cool, Stam. These people are, yes. Nix people, vegans, religious cultists, right. Why does it not set it to invalid? Oops. So this is the progression. So it starts out. Love and hate mix, yes. For Gen 2. Gen 2 is just hard to work with. 2, 2, 2, okay, right. And then 3 means it's invalid, so this should be invalid. This one's invalid. Yeah, so all of these should be considered invalid. So why are they not? That is strange. No, it only gets set to 0 there. Zero, one, one. It's flipped around the wrong way. Yes, okay, so that was why. So it's just the wrong way. Need something reliable, which is why I'm on Nix. Not that Gen 2 can't be reliable, but you just tinker too much, right? I don't tinker a lot, so not high, bro. Okay, so this we need to just then remove the. So this works, right? This solution. So we need to remove the remove one and try it again. So just sort of skip over that one. But we also need it back. Right. So how do we do that? We just basically don't consider it. I'm trying to think, right, to skip over. So if it's 0, if we're disregarding the first one, left and line size. We do that. Done in one iteration without removing the elements. Okay. What? How would it be? Right, so this one. Just count the number of times it's wrong? You lied. What? Bro, what? Just filter rather than remove. I see. Let me think though. It might. Let's see. If you just you have like a 2 threshold of being wrong. So you set wrong plus equal. Not really threshold, but this is the. Let's see. And then invalidated. That. Okay. Imagine if you lied intentionally. You probably did. You didn't mean to. Yeah. I'm just messing around. Let's see. Wrong count. So then if it's greater than equal to 2, right? So it can be 0 or 1. It can't be anything else. Then valid equals 0. I think, right? What is wrong here? Mm. Yeah, so that is not right. But that not work. That's not quite right, is it? Because it continues to be wrong. I don't think we need this, though. Look at the... Well, hang on, I want to try this. Let's see. I mean, I was thinking of iterating over and removing that. Like, so it'd be... Look at each element, right? You're overthinking. Yeah, but I think this is a way to do it, so... I mean, I was going to do it the other way, and then you said that, and then I changed. Let's see. If we have a count for that, though, and then go there, then you have one that's wrong. Shoot, that's not right, is it? Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Bro, I was doing that, and you said not to do it. But I'm trying something else now, so I'll go back to that, alright? Let's see. I'm trying to think, right, that, what would be a way to do that? Yeah, I think I'll have to do it that way. I don't think this way will work. Or, let's see. How was I even going to do that? So that's got 9 sides. I got to go in a minute. It's messy. That's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay, so remove. So if pass removed here, so that's where it's all being really computed. So we'll have a and then right, basically then we just change what the index is that we're looking at. Right, so index 2. So if remove equals -1, and we want to set first equals index and the second equals index -1. Stream and incoming, yes. I want to try to finish this, but I might not be able to. I'll try to do more streams, not every 2 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever. But otherwise, first still equals index, but, well, no, it might not equal index. Okay, then we need to see what removed is, right? So if removed is 0, index is never going to be 0, so that's fine. Removed is 0, though, then we don't want to look at, we don't want the second to be 0. Actually, what if we do this? And if first equals removed, I don't know, this is a weird way of doing that, but that's fine. Then we can do second. Right, so we don't really want plus plus on that because then that sets it to that, but we don't necessarily want to do a minus. So let's do this kind of thing. Let's do second, oops, second 0, which return none, right? Otherwise, we'll do second minus 1. So we kind of skip it like that. I need to get rid of these. Long, yeah. Get rid of that. Internet, that's fine. 6. Okay, so now it considers them all valid, so that's not good. It's only supposed to be 4, so these two are not supposed to be valid. Also, it doesn't print them out. Second is 0. Yeah, I feel like that doesn't work, does it? Another way we could disregard, then we could just increase index, but that would be a problem. When I'm printing out that, we don't print out any of these. I feel like it's an issue though. That new stat and new stat are declared, so why are they not showing up? Are they -1? Still should print them as integers though. I don't know why it would not do that. Yeah, it doesn't print it at all. But we want to start out moving none. Oh shoot, that's the issue, because we have well, maybe it's not. Doesn't increment. 3-week break. Hopefully not. I'll try not to. I've just been really busy. Why is so line size is 5 and it doesn't increment them? No, I want to iterate removed here. So do I want to move where that's at? I just need to do it like this, don't I? Searching on how to break, yeah. Still doesn't work. We have these, but that shouldn't really matter that much. Like that within here. I do not remember. It's insane. What is it? Insane. So get here. Between cringe and insane. Interesting. Couldn't see the code very well. Could just do this here. So we started there. Well, it's less than the line size. We keep iterating. So we try it once without that. It doesn't go through the whole thing, so that doesn't really work, does it? Yeah, I think I need to retry that. Ping you on Discord. Okay, I don't have Discord open now. I'll look at it after the stream. Maybe it'll be like now. I gotta go. Buckle up beforehand. Let's do .c in progress. Yeah, I will finish this next stream. I might do a canoscript stream, maybe AOC. We'll see. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll have to think about it. Day 2. Okay, cool. I'll have to read me stuff later. Yeah, so I gotta go. Let's see. Session. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I'll take a look at that link. Goodbye.